Ngiyanibingelela nonke enibukela le video le. I-video is about i-Doppler effect. Doppler effect i-question lena nje ngiyichuzile ukuthi sizoyenza. I-question yethu ithi a sound source is moving at a constant speed of 240 meters per second. Then a sound source yethu lena towards a detector emits sound at a constant frequency. Then kanje basibethi i-detector i-recorda i-frequency engango 5100. Take the speed of sound in air to be 340 meters per second. Le statement lunga usifunde wena ngokusunderstand wasifunde njengami. Shuthi konke okushiwo la kumele ukubone kwenzeka. Sinani? Sine sound source. Kushuthi yini sound source? Into ekhipha ini, ekhipha i-sound ngoba kuthiwa nje i-source. Shuthi iyona ilokhu njani sound isuka kuleyo nto leyo. Then iyamove ngespeed esingaka. Shuthi singathi iyo le iyamove, yabo. I-sound source ikhipha umsindo la. Yabo. Then ispeed sayo su 240 kanje meters per second. It's moving towards a detector. Then sothini yethu lena, sothi i-detector yethu le, ya into nje erecordayo la. Then into ezorecorda wonke lo msindo ukuthi ungakanani. I-frequency iwona msindo. Then iya-recorda la. Shuthi le i-source. Shuthi yini izoba nani ne-frequency. I-frequency yayo sizobiza ngani? I-frequency source. I-frequency izobe yila kuzobe i-frequency yani ye-listener. Base bethi i-detector yilo orecordayo, ilo okurecordayo. Then ngoba iya-detector iyona ezwa ushintsho, iyona detector i-recorda i-frequency engakale hertz. Okay, naku record i-frequency engaka. Lo uza kuyo obvious, lona kumele ame ukuze kwenzeke ini i-Doppler effect. And then the detector records len engaka. Base bethi take the speed of sound in air to be 340 meters per second. Ngelinye ilanga bazothi i-speed of sound in air asibe u-343. Kumele uku-check njalo lokho, ungazi wena ungayitshela ukuthi si-constant i-speed of sound in air su-343 and 40 yonke indawo. Si-constant vele angithi siyakuvuma lokho, kodwa once bekutshelile sebenzisa lo abakutshele kona. If bengasishongo uzosebenzisa u-340, then bakutshelile la u-340 uzosebenzisa i-speed of sound in air le u-v. Then i-question yethu siya-understanda konke lokho. Lo i-velocity yakhe i-0 fune ame lo because siyenza ini i-Doppler effect. Asikho nesidingo sokuthi bakutshele ngoba ngithi uyazi ukuthi kodwa kumele ame omunye ahambe. Then base bethi state u-Doppler effect in words. Uzomstater uthole u-2 marks lana. Then u-7.2 so uthi calculate the wavelength of the sound emitted by the source. So calculate ini i-wavelength yani ye-sound emithwa yini i-source, i-wavelength. Shuthi sizoba nani i-source yethu le. I-wavelength ikhandeka kanjani-ke? Sothi iyona source yethu le, sithi iyo le la phakathi, then source wethu lo. Then as i-approach i-source yethu yile khipha umsindo. As i-approach kwenzakalani? I-wavelength phela ikhandeka makukanje. Ya, ngithemba ukuthi uyayibona i-pattern. As i-approach iyale la i-approach la ngakhona kuyancipha i-wavelength la iyenza njani? Iyalokhu nje iyancipha i-wavelength la iyancipha la kuba nezikhala ezincane, yabo la ukuthi inkulu kuba kanje. Basifuna thina i-wavelength ukuthi kungakanani ke, ya kuzoba into nje kanje. Then sebefuna i-wavelength ile distance suka la iza la, isuke la ize la. Bafuna ukuthi ingakanani ke masipheleleke le distance le, iyona wavelength le. Angithi uyabona i-formula calculate wavelength ithini. Then okay, siqale la i-formula calculate i-wavelength Iformula calculate wavelength ithi okay iqala ithi frequency is equal to velocity divided by lambda. Iqala la iformula yethu, then ungayichecka ngemuva for i-wavelength yenza njani-ke. For i-wavelength cross multiplyile la kwaba kanje. For i-wavelength for ithini iformula yakhe khona le is equal to i-velocity divided by i-frequency. Sifuna i-wavelength yani yelokhu njani ye-sound emithiwe. Ubani emithayo? I-source. Shuthi i-frequency yani ye-source kumele ibe la. I-velocity le ileba i-velocity in air, then yiyo le i-velocity 340. Then le velocity lena eba kule formula leya ilo e-Doppler effect lena elokhu njaye lena enkulu ende nje iyo i-velocity leyo kusuka i-velocity yalezi zinto ukuthi ihamba ngobani njalo 240 njengalo 0 meters per second. Shuthi thina sofuna ini wavelength kodwa usuyabona ukuthini sifuna lo i-velocity speed of sound in air kuyi-velocity yakhona ikhona as 340 kodwa khona ubani oshodayo khona lo uyena oshodayo ukuze sithole i-wavelength yethu in meters. Shuthi ilo esimdingayo i-frequency yani of the source ukuthi lo bekhipha umsindo ongakanani isikhathi sahamba la, kodwa siyazi ukuthi lo urekhode ongakanani nje. Sesiya kwiformula yethu ke ethi frequency of the listener uyithatha ngemuva njengoba injalo is equal to v plus uv l over ithi plus or minus uyithatha njengoba nje uyithatha njengoba inje. Then after this part usukhana uzo determine ukuthi isign injani. Angithi as i-approach mangabe oyedwa vele kumelana kodwa mangabe ukuthi le ehambayo i-approach lena enye shuthi isondela kuyo i-sign i-numerator ibe u-plus then i-denominator ibe u-minus. Shuthi wena kumele wazi i-numerator kuphela then i-denominator sekuba i-opposite yalena e-numerator. Kusho ukuthi as le approach eyale i-sign ye-numerator kumele sithathe as positive. Sesithathe positive kumele angafanike la sekuzobona negative. Shuthi seyithini uyasubstitute i-frequency of the listener nayo ngithi is equal to i-velocity. Le velocity le yabo lo VL no VS ama-velocity alezinto ukuthi ihamba ngoba labo V abangenani lutho la eceleni kwakhona ile velocity i-speed of sound in air. Shuthi ubani u-340 la 340 as approach kuzoba ubani u-plus then awusayihluphi la uyazi sekubani seku-minus cause kumele angafani ama-sign. Bese sithi i-velocity yani e-listener i-listener kumele kuyaphoqa ukuthi ukuze kwenzeke ini i-Doppler effect for i-listener 0 then sesiya kuphi u-340 futhi la then i-velocity ye-source yethu bani u-240 angithi 240 i-speed semoto yasibona sivele esikhulu then bese simultiply ngobani nge-frequency yani ye-source sifuna yona vele i-frequency ye-source soyifaka lapha then emva lapho sesiqedile ngequestion yethu. Shuthi njengamanje uyangivumela ukuthi konke lokho engikufaka kubakake la kuyinamba egcineni kosuku. Shuthi kuyafana nokuthi khona mhlambe senze example kungakhipha u7 shuthi kusho ukuthini lo kusho ukuthi u7 multiply by fs. Uyenza kanjani ke into eseduze kwento ongayifuni ukuze isuke uzodivide ngaye angithi both sides usudivide ngaye both sides ukuze asuke la angithi uyazi ukuthi uzoba inamba. It's 240 okay yeah 340 minus 240 udivide ngaye nayi i-fraction enkulu nayi i-fraction enkulu ebahlukanisile. Shuthi sele nobani ne-frequency ye-source usungayikhethela ukuthi usho ukuthi bayakhanselana or bayadividana kube u1 usele no-fs shuthi uzophanja la iyona frequency yani ye-source. Then ake sibuye la singakayi question yethu kule answer soyithola silendele ukuthi i-answer ibe njani i-answer yethu i-frequency yala kumele ibe njani uma iqhathanisa nale. Okay, kumele ibe njani since iya-approach then kumele kube njani-ke le, kumele ibe njani, kumele ibe incane kunale u-listener kumele abe njani. Okay, sorry, kumele ibe since angithi uyabona ukuthi ilokhu njani injani i-display i-wavelength njani iba ncane, then ithini i-relationship ithi as lo emncane lo uba mkhulu, shuthi kumele ibe njani i-frequency ye-source kumele ibe nkulu kunale iqhathanise nale ngapha. Then sesizokuphanja kwe-calculator 5100 divide by udivide eceleni 340 over 340 le uyidivide eceleni minus 240 kanje. Mase uthola le, yabona ukuthi ubani it's 1500. It's 1500 hertz. Then i-frequency yani ye-listener i-frequency ye-source yimo esenza izinto zibe lokhu njani zibe nzima. Then i-frequency ye-source nayo then shuthi kwenzakalani-ke, then i-frequency ye-source le, then sesine-frequency ye-source siyiplaga la, then sesithola ini i-wavelength shuthi la sinobani 340 divided by 1500 0 round off to two decimal places 0.2. Kumele sibheke inamba phambi kwale ngithi round off to two decimal places, sibheke inamba ephambi kwathi u2 uba u6 shuthi above u5 futhi above 5 shuthi ini izoshintsha lena ibe ubani ibe u3. Noma kuthiwa beyu5 le beyizoba ishintsha futhi ibe u3, iqala ku5 kuyinamba eziphezulu ukuthi ishintshe inamba lelandelayo esemuva. Then in meters la, in meters, then kuba kanje for la frequency of the source kumele abe mncane. Into esiyi-check-ayo ile ukuthi as i-approach ilokhu njani yethu i-approach sithathe as general. Wena mangabe kuza sithi ambulance iyeza kuwe kanje uzwa umsindo ongakanani as iza, uzwa umsindo omkhulu wena ngithi as iza, yabo kuba into kanjalo. Then frequency ye-listener kumele ibe nkulu kune-frequency yani ye-source, kuba kanje. I-final answer yethu le.